Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a mojito pitcher, easy method. Start by washing and lightly bruising a generous handful of mint leaves and slicing 4 limes into wedges. Add 8 tablespoons superfine sugar and muddle gently so oils release without shredding leaves. Pour in 2 cups white rum, fill the pitcher with ice, top with 3 cups club soda, and stir gently before serving. Begin by placing mint, lime wedges, and sugar in the pitcher for easy sharing. Use a wooden muddler or spoon to press gently until sugars dissolve and mint releases aroma. Focus on light, twisting presses rather than crushing to avoid bitter notes. Keep the mixture coordinated so every glass gets an even balance of citrus and herb. Once muddled, add rum, ice, and soda, then stir gently to combine. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy cocktail tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for picking up spilled sugar and stray mint leaves with voice control for hands-free cleanup. It saves time so you can focus on mixing and hosting without worrying about mess. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Spoon the mojito pitcher into highball glasses filled with ice and garnish each glass with a mint sprig and lime wheel. For a fruity twist, muddle in a cup of berries or pineapple before adding rum. Swap part of the club soda for ginger beer for a spicier profile. Always taste and adjust sweetness with simple syrup if needed, and offer a straw so guests can enjoy the muddled mint aroma while sipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.